Keep on hooking it. Stick him around there again. Push it down on there. Turn it. There you go. Keep poking him through there.
Is that it?
Keep hooking it a little more. Push him up that hook. Flip it around again. Hook him again. There you go. Okay. Get more on there.
That fish is so say yummy.
Kind of sop it up, ain't he?
Oh. I might want to leave his little head out.
Look, they're clean, Mommy. Put the bigger one on the hook. Hook him one more time. And then push it down a little bit. And say hey to the camera.
Yes.
Alright. There you go. Push him down a little bit. Hook him a little more where he's not all out. They're going to eat all that up.
Ow, ow.
There's mosquitoes biting you. That's spraying where the crab isn't.
Oh, there we go. That's how I want it.
So that's how you bait a hook, huh?
That's how you bait a hook. Look at that little boy. Look at his little good spot there.
Alright, hold it. No, you hold it. Hold the hook, baby.